Okay, so today I'm going to show you my Maytag Performa oversized capacity washing machine. It's been in storage for a couple of years, but it's a good machine. We only used it for about a year and a half before we moved into a place that had a washer and dryer, which is why we haven't used it. Works perfectly fine, so let's get this thing fired up. As you can see, it's filling. And since I'm doing this in our garage, I'm going to put in a little bit of Dawn dish detergent just to show that it actually does function, but we aren't going to fully run the machine, just put it through the cycles just to show that it actually will fill up and work. So okay, we're going to let this fill up for a second, and then we'll put in some soap and watch it do its thing. So it's filling up nicely. I'm going to put a couple drops of soap in there. Doesn't need to be much. And it should start running any second now. There we go. I know you can see a little bit of dirt on it, but the whole thing runs well. That's just from being in storage for the last few years in our garage. Obviously we'll clean this thing up real well before we sell it. So we'll let this thing run for a minute, and we'll check back and see how it drains. So here we are draining. I got to use the screwdriver to make it happen. So just so you can see it's spinning and you can hear it draining, but I'm going to shut the lid and then walk over so you can actually see it draining. Here we are. And beautiful gush of water going down our driveway into the road. Again, that's why I used dish detergent. So as you can see, it's fully functional, works quite well, and will be a steal for anyone who wants to have this thing, because we need it out of here. Thanks very much for watching.